Michael Jackson's accusers, James Safechuck and Wade Robson, who had their moment in court. On Monday, they were there for a hearing. This was all about this new law in California that looks very much like it is going to lead to them getting a new trial.
A trial.
Against...
a trial. They never had a trial.
Yes. That's right. They didn't have a trial.
So the judge threw it out because the judge said the statute of limitations had
trials,
passed.
yeah, against the Michael Jackson estate.
So there's a new law that was passed in California that allows people who were molested or sexually abused when they were minors to file lawsuits either before they're 40 or I think it's within 5 years of discovering it, whichever is later.
Right.
And so that seems to qualify them to press their claim.
In court yesterday, the judge, actually there were attorneys there for the Michael Jackson estate, as well as the attorneys for Wade and James, and both sides agreed that this new law certainly opens things up again. They have not officially decided yet that they will have a new trial.
But a tentative ruling in court typically means that will be the ruling. I mean, they leave it open in case something spectacular happens in oral argument, but they're pretty much saying this is the way we're going to go. Yeah. So we got some sound.
We got them as they were walking out of court, and certainly Wade. James was a little quieter, but Wade definitely feels confident that they are going to have a trial.
How did it go in there?
It was a good day in court.
So you're gonna get your chance?
Looks like we're going to trial.
Feel pretty confident. How are you guys feeling in terms of, like, you know the Jackson estate is gonna fight this. It'll probably be a long battle. I mean, how are you feeling mentally? Are you gearing up in any special way? What are you thinking, both of you?
For me, I'm not concerned about anything that they're going to try and do. We're just excited to have an opportunity to speak the truth in front of a jury. That's what this whole thing has been about, and we're getting closer to that moment.
By the way, you noticed that Anthony Edwards, the actor from ER, was
I
also there.
There
as support for them. He himself said he's a survivor of molestation, and so he is there for emotional support for both of them.
This is a big deal because anybody who watched or covered the 2003 molestation case, case, it was really something. And the difference there was that you still had a minor who really wasn't able to kind of express in a clear voice what he alleged. And there were problems with the case. This is going to be different because here you've got two adults. They've already made their case on a movie. You've now got the alleged perpetrator who is dead. Well, you don't. Another big difference is you don't have the spectacle every day of Michael Jackson showing up in court.
Michael Jackson showing up was a huge thing in that trial every day.
Obviously, this will be something that will be followed very closely, by us and by others. But yeah, I mean, it's a completely different scenario than you have the spectacle of fans coming out to the court every single day, Michael Jackson getting on top of a car and addressing them. It's a very different environment. And they are also, we should say, going to be getting a new judge than the judge that dismissed their case previously because of the, statute of limitations.
It's Jared calling from Maryland, and just wanted to say, if the law says that they have an opportunity to appear in court, then we should let them do that. Courts decide these things, not fan bases, so we should just let the facts come out. Lots of people have brought these allegations against Michael before. If they're not true, then we should be able to trust the court to be able to dismiss them. If not, then we all have to kind of live with those ramifications.
Yeah, I mean, really, the court's not going to dismiss the allegation if it's contested. It's up to a jury.